Hello, welcome back to Garden of Treats. I'm Courtney, this is Marley, and today we'll be doing some renovations. So we purchased our home recently in September, and there were some changes that I wanted to make. So as you can see on this doorknob is like a gold brass color, and I'm changing them all to silver colors. So that's what I've been doing around the house. And then our cabinets have these handles. They're like old brass, gold color. And I am changing everything to like the satin, nickel, or silver. And so I am changing this and this on our laundry room cabinets to these. So we already redid our laundry room floors. There was a tile color, like a tile yellow and white, that was already on the floor, and then we laid some laminate flooring over the top. So after I get done changing the handles on the cabinets and the hinges along with the doorknobs, I will be putting a countertop, D.I.Y countertop, over the washer and dryer so that I can have a folding table, and that will complete my changes in the laundry room. And here is the complete project of the cabinets.
That mark?
30 by 60. This is the saw right here.
Well, you're not going to mark that until we get it cut.
We'll do it that way then.
So it's the big saw that it goes in. I guess I just type in the dimensions.
Let's see. 360 here, I think I should.
Alright, now that's the 60. We got everything we came in for. We got our 30 by 60 piece of white plywood. We got our boards right here. We got our dryer vent and our screws. Let's do it. So I taped it on up. So I pulled it up and I grabbed it. And I taped that thing together. And then I'm gonna take this piece of foil, rope-a-dope it up in there like that. You feel me? Connect the other piece of this side, and voila. And this is the side I taped on. I go ahead and plug it right up in here. wop like that. But first, what I need to do is make sure this bitch don't close. We got it up in there. I think what I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna tape it on around there to hold it down.
So now I'm just finishing the project with my finishing touches.